Imagine having the opportunity to add a new firearms to your great collection without having to leave the comforts of your home and having many to choose from. And if you stay tuned, I got some information about where you're going to be able to preview these items coming up on this great auction. ProCountry Auction Service is excited to introduce to you our spring firearms, ammunition, and reloading online auction featuring over 400 lots. This auction features 27 pistols, 7 revolvers, 36 rifles, 19 shotguns, ammunition, reloading equipment, and shooting accessories. So you want to take a look before the online auction ends? Well, we got 2 ways you can get that job done. March 13th through the 15th, we're going to be at the Eau Claire Gun Show. We got a booth there, so you can come on up and take a look, and we will be previewing some of the main features on this auction. After that, Friday, March 20th, from noon to 6 p.m., we're going to have an open house. We'll have them all out, displayed out. Everything will be here for your inspection. So that's 2 great ways to take a look before this great auction ends. So whether you're looking to expand your firearms collection, find that dependable hunting rifle, buy some ammunition, or you love to reload, this auction you won't want to miss. So you see something that you like, you see something that you want to get bought, here's what you got to do. Go to ProCountry, preview the items. Come to the open houses or come to the Eau Claire Gun Show. And to get your items bought, you make sure you go to ProCountryAuction.com. Our minds right. We got to get our minds right. Yeah, we got to get funky with it. We got to get our minds right. We got our dial on. So whether you're simply wanting find that dependable hunting rifle, or simply buy some ammunition,